I am gonna start making the rice.
I think it's up there, bro.
What's up there?
The rice pot, no?
Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. Don't start doing that, woman, okay?
Just trying to help you. See, this is why we wouldn't be able to be, because I would have knocked you out and then disconnected.
Somebody requested that I make, they want to see me try to make some pastelitos, aka empanadas. They're kind of not the same, but different kind of sort of. And then we're going to make some white rice and beans and some maduros. So Lexi's here to supervise. Okay, white rice. I thought we were making yellow rice, so I took out salchichas. But we're actually making... You want pink or red beans, babe?
It doesn't matter.
I made red beans the last couple times, so... Alright. Do we need... Which one of these do we need?
I guess you could just use the big one to make the meat first, and then once the meat is done, you clean that out and use it for the empanadas.
Okay.
One of them is fine.
I just want to move stuff out of the way. Salt.
Sure.
Yeah, I can read.
Why you looked at it again?
I
saw you. You looked at it again.
Yeah, but I don't like this one, babe.
I know. I have to get the regular one.
Saben lo que está pasando, que con la orquesta ya llegué. Escucha bien mi tumbadito tan sabroso, porque tiene su caché. Escucha el bajo, baila y el güiro. Escucha el piano y...
One quick thing. People sometimes ask how they can support the channel. And if these videos ever resonate with you, the simplest ways to do so are by becoming a channel member, or sending a super thanks, or even just staying engaged. No pressure at all. I just want to keep this space going.
Juega con el zumbao, siempre con mi tumbadito. Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Dale. Juega, juega bonito, juega con el tumbao. Bueno, juega Cristian. Jaja.
once this defrosts and everything starts to, let's see, it's falling off.
Mm-hmm.
You see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's more grease than anything. With the same spoon, just I don't want you to do it now because we just put the seasoning. So I want the meat to get the seasoning first and let out the grease.
Okay.
So don't do it now. Once we can get all of this to cook and, you know.
All right, so meat is done. Meat is done. Beans over there are done. And the rice is done. So now, here's where we start making the pastelitos. All right. Can you back this up over here?
I'm going to open it for you because I know that these things are usually not very friendly with you.
One eternity later.
They're not really friendly with you either.
Give me a knife.
That's what I would have just done from the beginning. Phone check, homie. Oh, we need cheese.
Ooh.
They're adult proof. A kid could have got through that. No problem. Because we didn't
Like
want
it's
them to.
literally stuck with the wrapping. Look.
Let me wash my hands. All right. So you just put meat in here, and then you fold it, and you press it with a fork. Yeah, I think I could do that.
So,
Put the cheese first.
and then put the meat. That's probably not going to be your best friend.
No. Got it.
You're probably going to fight.
Like this? This?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Is that too much?
I mean, you'll know if it's too much or not. It doesn't look like it, but if you want to use a spoon, like
A regular spoon?
an eating spoon, it might
What
be.
the hell happened to the spoon?
I went to turn the beans in. It's not metal. It shouldn't have been in there to begin with, but you know, there's that.
All right.
Okay. You think that's enough?
I think that's enough.
Okay. Now we're gonna fold it. Make sure everything stays inside.
And then that's when you...
Oh, you need to put oil in there, babe, before the pan gets burned.
How much oil?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go, 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 go. You're good. All right, just wait for that to heat up.
So now,
With the fork.
I don't want to use that fork. All right, so now you
You're gonna
start
come
here.
around, and you're gonna make sure you feel it. Go, that you can, yeah. You have to use 2 hands. Yep. And then go all the way around, and then flip it, and go on the other side.
Okay.
What some people also tend to do, to make it,
They fold it.
they
yeah.
give it a little roll at the end, so you know where. But that's up to you, however you wanna. Doesn't have to be that way.
I'm a budding chef now.
I never made it outside, by the way.
Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out.
Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out. Because here comes
Here comes Chef Arnez.
Carlos Ortiz.
That's it. I'm quitting YouTube and opening my own kitchen.
You and Tori. Tori be your instructor.
Okay, and then she said, flip it and do the same thing. So, like I said, I've seen this done a gazillion and one times, but I've never actually done it. So, you know, you cook the meat, you cook whatever else you're gonna cook like normal. Rice I pretty much got down packed. I haven't cooked yellow rice. I mean, I've done it in the past, but that was a long time ago. I was still early in my 20s. Okay, so now I guess we need somewhere to put these. Okay. So then do another one. These are actually kind of heavy. Okay. So cheese. Anything I need to
Throw
know?
it, just you gotta place it.
Okay, something I learned, she just told me, is that when you flip them, you gotta flip them by the flat, if that makes sense. I'm gonna try to get a view so you can see what I'm talking about, not so you can see what I'm talking about. Because the middle, I was flipping them from the middle, like I was grabbing it with the tongs from the middle, and apparently those wraps are still really soft, so it'll break. We give Harley pretty much everything we eat if she can have it. If it's not gonna make us sick or hurt her, we let her have some. Our son, I had a dog for 14 years, and I was like, when we all first met, like I was real hard on. I was like, please don't give him none, like, or whatever. And he used to always fight with me. He's like, man, like this dog, like you want him. He's like, how would you feel? Like, how would you feel if you ate the same thing every day for your life, the same bland thing every day for your life? And then he was like, dude, he's old, man. Let him have whatever he wants. So, you know, we don't OD. You know, we give her in moderation, but you know, we let her try. Like I said, if it ain't gonna make her sick, we let her try everything. Like, hey, this is what we're eating. But sometimes, like when we make steak, like I wouldn't cook a steak by myself. But when Lexi makes steak, like we always get her like her own separate, so she you know, where it doesn't have seasoning and stuff in it, so you know nothing that's gonna harm her. And Lexi will cook that, and then we'll break it up and give it to her in her food. Flip. All right, so Can you get the camera? So check this out. We found these. I'm actually very surprised that Lexi is opting to eat these like this. Because she's usually a stickler about making totones and maduros from scratch. But I've never had these. Have you had these before? We've never had these before, so we'll let you know how they are. I guess I messed up these over here because it looked like it filled with air, and it's like a big, so they didn't lay flat enough. So part of it, you'll see. Well, I'll show you. So see, part of them didn't, like I guess I put too much meat and stuff and cheese in there, and it kind of ballooned up. So I kind of screwed that one up.